Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OGEN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. A very nice movement today. Great continuation from Thursday. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line. That level has served its purpose, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. So the first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 55 cents, now a level of support. What I'm going to do here is actually adjust this level of support up here to 57. And the key dynamic there is, well, what direction did the adjustment need to be made? And very clearly, I needed to adjust that level of support higher. So assuming you're bullish, whenever levels of support need to be adjusted higher, that's definitely a good thing. So that really just goes to show the strength that today had. Now, 57 cents more the ideal level, meaning that, if the price falls below there, doesn't mean the chart's ruined. Taking a step back though and looking at all this from the bigger picture, that's where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. Everyone must visualize that. That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 57 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance moving forward? Nothing fancy or complicated here. The party stopped today right up there at the 63 cent mark. So 63 cents, public enemy number one going into next week. All in all, though, fantastic way to end the week. Huge volume, nice price movement. So this one, I'm sure will pop up on quite a few people's scanners over the weekend. So let's see if the price can build upon this momentum next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.